y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is my second Wantable unboxing and try on. The first video I peeked, tried everything on ahead of time. This just came like 10 minutes ago. And so I figured instead of peeking, I would open it for the first time with y'all. Okay, so Wantable is, in my opinion, similar to Trunk Club. It's a $20 a month styling fee, though they do add tax. So the total that debits out of my account is $21.60. The prices and the brands are similar to Trunk Club. They have Cut From The Cloth, Vigos, Vince Camuto. Let's see, anything else I can think of off the top of my head? Those are the three that come to mind. I also mentioned in my first video that Wantable has this thing called the Stream, which I've been addicted to lately. So you log into your account on the website, go to the Stream in the top section of the website. I don't know where it is on the app. I just go to the website. You're already logged in. So all of these suggestions for things that Wantable thinks you'll like is based on your style quiz. So you can go in and request things to be sent in a box. I'm pretty sure I've requested a lot of things, so we'll see what's actually in this box. If you're interested in Wantable, I'll leave a link to sign up in the description box down below. It's always there in these types of videos. And what I also do for these videos, I'll try to find these pieces online individually. That way, if you like something, you can directly purchase it if you're not interested in signing up. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's open the box. In case you're curious, this is what it looks like when you open it. It does say personalized, and then it's got your name on it. This is your little like style card that shows what you got, how much everything is, and then that's your stuff in there. My stylist this month is Jenna. I'm pretty sure that is a different stylist than I had last month, but I'm not going to read the note because I don't want there to be any secrets. All right, so first thing I am pulling out is in a bag. It says Pretty Little Things. Look how cute that bag is. I'm assuming it's jewelry. This says Fan Tassel Earrings in gray. So here is a close-up of these earrings. They're called the Fan Tassel Earrings in gray, 38 bucks. They're from the brand Nakamol, Nakamol. So I like these, kind of. I think I like the bag that they came in better. Like how cute for a gift. These are okay. I don't know if I like the gold and the gray. I think that's what's throwing me off a little bit. All right, this I'm pulling out looks to be a tank top. Love and Legend is the brand. Size 2X. This is cute. It's like little strappy detail in the front. This would be really cute layered. Oh, it's cinched in at the waist. How cute. Okay, this is black and it looks like it's got gold dots on it. I love this, especially that waist cinching. It's probably hard to tell. Okay, I really like this. I'm always on the hunt for tank tops like this to wear under like leather jackets or jean jackets like out at night for dinner. Just these like cute flowy tops. I like this. This fits really well. So I'm very happy with this. This is cute. Okay, so far so good. This is really cute. Next thing I'm pulling out is from the brand Dex. Oh, it's a jacket. Okay, that is a beautiful color. That gray. That is so pretty. All right, this looks like, yeah, it's a jacket that doesn't button, but it like wrap ties. It's probably really hard for y'all to tell, but it's got these like extra flaps that are really pretty. I'll admit this duster is a little bit different for me, but I have a good feeling about it. Like I feel like I'm going to put it on and be like, I didn't know that I needed this, but I do. Okay, let's make sure I can figure it out. Am I supposed to tighten it? All right, so I'm just a little bit confused how this is supposed to go. Do I tie it? Do I not tie it? Let me look at the picture. All right, so in the picture, it is not tied. Oh, look, there's you an idea of what the back looks like. So this is how she's wearing it. There's no pockets, so it's a little bit awkward, but it's very chic almost, right? I mean, this outfit is not the one to wear with it, but imagine it with like some white skinny jeans, some wedges, and a top. Could be nice. I just don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty. I like the color. I just feel like for $100, I need somewhere to wear it in order to buy it, and I don't know where I would wear this. All right, next thing is Lucky Brand. Y'all know I like Lucky Brand. This is in a size 2X. Okay, it looks like just like a little easy like throw on tee. That's a really pretty pattern. I could see this as a layering like tee too with maybe a jean jacket and some like white cutoff jeans and sandals. That's really pretty. Okay, how cute is this? I'm surprised that this one fits. I know last box they sent me something from Lucky Brand that was a size 2X and it was too small. So I'm surprised that this one fits. I like it. I don't know for the price. I don't know. I just know that like Target has these shirts like V-neck for like $8. It's pretty though, don't get me wrong. Could be a great layering piece. Then we've got another Lucky Brand top. This is in a size 2X. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that color. Hold on, let me get it situated. Okay, first off, that color and pattern is beautiful. It does look a little see-through and a little bit short. But this is like right up my alley. This is so pretty. This one I really liked on the model on their little style card that they send me. There's pictures, like color pictures, and I appreciate that. It is a little bit shorter on me than it is on the model. You can see what it looks like in the back. I should do videos from this angle all the time. Then I don't even have to turn around. Like, look, front, back, there you go. Now you know what it looks like. I like it. It's not as see-through as I thought that it would be. It also actually fits. It fits pretty well. I think this is the last clothing item in my box. It is denim. So these are Vigos brand Jagger Skinny size 20. I think they call it the classic fit. Yeah, size 20, dark wash. Oh, they're distressed. Okay, I have a pair of Vigos. I'm pretty sure they're Vigos skinny jeans I got probably a year ago in a box, and I wear those once a week at least. All right, super skinny ankle. I like that. I like these. I love that little bit of distressing there. It's not too much. I love these. Like, these are the softest jeans. They're super high-waisted. My belly button is here. So they're about an inch below my, or above my belly button. They're so comfortable. Yeah, these are so comfortable. The ankle, you can see, is a little bit wider than I would like. But I can roll those once and get away with it. Let's roll it and see what it looks like. So I just threw 2 rolls in the bottom, and this is what they look like. Give you a look when you walk. I don't really walk like that, so let's start again. Okay, this is what they look like, and this is what I walk like. To give you an idea of what they look like. I'm obsessed with these. Oh my gosh. I love them rolled more than I don't really have anything else to say about them. I'm just like making things up because I don't want to take them off. And I love them. This appears to be the last thing in my box. This really cute, like little rectangle yellow bag. Looks like it opens this way, and then it's got this part on the inside. This is the brand Urban Expressions, I think. The tag fell off. Yeah, Urban Expressions. It says it is all vegan. So now that you've seen everything, let's talk prices. The total for everything in my box is $436. You do get that $21.60 styling fee credited toward whatever you keep. All right, so my favorites. Number 1, the jeans. These feel incredible. These fit so well, like fit to a T. I've got Vigos shorts and jeans, so I'm very familiar with the brand and how they fit, and I like them. So these I like. This tank top also I think is a great layering piece, or even just wear it with a pair of like denim shorts and some black sandals, like summertime date night when it's 90 degrees outside at 8 o'clock at night. I love this, and this was one that I requested that I actually really love, so I'm excited for this one. And the last thing that I'm considering keeping is this Lucky Brand top. This was so cute with the jeans, but as I was like taking the jeans off and changing and stuff, I did notice that this little keyhole in the front is a little bit low, like you could see my bra. So I'm trying to think of things that I don't really like about it because it's almost $80. This is 100% viscose, V-I-S-C-O-S-E, machine wash cold, tumble dry, or dry clean. So let me know if this kind of material shrinks. So this second Wantable box is definitely more my style than the first one, and I understand too that it does sometimes take them a couple boxes to kind of understand what you want. but I'm very happy with this one. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think I should keep. If I only kept one thing, I would keep that tank top. I've been searching for something exactly like that for so long, so that's a done deal. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. Thanks for watching. As always, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.